Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will mix cobalt blue, semi-gloss latex mix. Cobalt blue is popular color. In fashion, the look is completely genderless, allowing for a wide customer group to experiment with a hue and make it their own. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button to keep updated on my upcoming paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 gallon cobalt blue semi-gloss latex paint mix. Let's start by pouring acrylic color phthalo blue on a 50% ratio of semi-gloss latex white. Then let's add acrylic color permanent violet. Okay, let's stir the paint well. We are more lighter. Let's add semi-gloss latex white. Then add more acrylic color, phthalo blue and permanent violet to become more darker. Okay, let's compare if it's the same now. It's almost the same. Just add more acrylic color phthalo blue and permanent violet. Let's add semi-gloss latex white first before adding more acrylic colors. Let's add the same ratio of paints until it becomes fully 1 gallon. Just a little lighter, add more phthalo blue and violet. Yes, it's cobalt blue. Already, mixing accomplished. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon to keep updated on my paint mixing tutorial videos. For more info, questions, and requests about paint mixing, paint colors, painting procedures, painting materials and kind of paint, just comment here. Thank you so much. God bless.